Okay, this is Harper, and this is her bite plate, which we have just modified. Tip your head back for me because she's got some teeth coming in. So, bite plate's worn at night. Is it pretty comfortable except for when your teeth were coming in?
Yeah.
And so it fits in, similar to a retainer, but bite together. Can you zoom in on that so that shows it keeps her back teeth apart ever so slightly? Grind around for me. Squeeze grinder. Can you grind around on your teeth, rubbing around? So if she does grind at night, she's not hitting on any teeth. And we got it wrapped around teeth that are going to be there so she can wear it as she's developing her all of her permanent teeth. Okay, great.